I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you some things to make with lentils. Now, what you make with lentils is going to depend on the kind of lentils you use. Some lentils break down and they're great for soup. Some lentils keep their shape and they're really good for salads. So here I have 3 different kinds of lentils. These black ones, they're called black lentils. They're also sometimes called beluga lentils. They have a really nice texture. They keep their shape. They're great for salads. These are called French lentils. They're kind of brown and they also keep their shape. They're, bigger than the French lentils, but smaller than the soup lentils. These are called gray-green lentils and they're good for soup. So if you want to make a lentil soup, use the gray-green lentils, throw them in a pot, put in some onions, garlic. You can use a variety of seasonings. There's a wonderful Greek lentil soup where you can use just a little bit of cinnamon, tomato paste, lemon juice. It's really tasty. I make an Egyptian lentil soup, which is really nice also. I use parsley, mint, cumin, lemon juice, and some greens, like hardy greens, like mustard greens and collard greens. Today I'm just going to show you a really simple lentil salad. And so I'm using the French lentils, which are the medium-sized ones. This is what they look like once they're cooked. They take about 45 minutes to cook. You don't have to cook them ahead of time. When you're making a lentil salad, it's a good idea to use colorful ingredients with the lentils because the lentils don't have that much color themselves. I'm going to use some chopped green onion, some diced red bell pepper, some chopped carrot. I'm going to add some Italian flat leaf parsley. I'm going to dress it with some red wine vinegar, olive oil, and salt. And there you have some basic things to make with lentils.